Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get your party chat, your voice chat, through your TV speakers and your headset at the same time. And this is just a simple setting. So maybe you just have your party chat in your headset, but you also want it on your TV speakers. Go here, go to General, then go on down to Volume and Audio Output. Then scroll on over to Additional Options. Then we have this option right here. Party chat output headset. Then we can go to headset and speakers. So you should be able to hear your friends through your TV speakers as well. Otherwise, you can just switch it over to speakers right here. So if you want to hear your friends, and then you won't have it in your headset anymore, but you should still have the game sound in your headset. And then we have this option right here. Make sure this is on checkmarked. Mute speaker audio when headset is attached. So if you're not getting any sound through your TV, you might have this check marked when you have your headset on. But just look at these different options and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech reviews coming up next on YourSixTech.